Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in this episode, we must bring in the GuZheng and set the animation on the GuZheng. It's a string vibration animation. Make it then export. I start directly from what I have already done. Zheng in that file. Import the model. Because the production of GuZheng is too troublesome, I will talk about how to make it, but I'm not going to do it again. It has too many positions on the strings. I suggest you use my asset directly, unless you want to make a GuZheng with a completely different shape. Find Zheng file first. In the collection, then import. I didn't see it. Too small to see. Shortcut it. I deleted the irrelevant part. Only the part of the GuZheng is left. I'm just going to blow them up a little bit. We're still not sure what size is good for this GuZheng. So before we know for sure, we have to sit the Hudao down first. She has no controls on her now. So the way we sat her down was pretty simple. We simply pose in a sitting position. Let's see how tall she will be when she sits down. Now we can get a rough idea of the altitude. Here we go. Let's lift the GuZheng. It should be about this location. But the GuZheng looks a little too big like this. In order for us to know for sure, is GuZheng's size suitable? We're going to have to swing the Hudao arm. Even if the Hudao hand is fully extended, it can only reach this position. While playing GuZheng, she still has to lean forward a little bit. Then obviously our GuZheng is a bit big. This should work. Check if the thighs are molded. That's about the same. Then there is the horizontal position of the GuZheng. Position on the x-axis. So you can, because your feet can't touch the shelf, people have to lean to the right. The right hand is playing the right hand. That's about it. Hey, where did the string go? I'll fix it. Forcibly, manually transferred it back. Basically, right. In fact, I can also recreate these strings. But regenerating is too cumbersome. Let me talk about how this GuZheng comes from. GuZheng, you can go directly to a model. To match the size and position of the character. But all the strings must be manually deleted first. We need a tool. A ZhengDrift Blender plugin. It has a little tool. Before using it, you need to set up controls and loggers. We can see it after clicking. Generated an add-in directory. There's a series of controls. In fact, in Blender, you can also animate directly, but I used to animate in Unreal. The functions of these controls, it is the same as the Music Doll plugin in Unreal after you learned Unreal part. Nature knows how to use them. Generate animations in Blender. Find this string position. There will be a bunch of empty objects in there. It marks the 3 dots on each string. End with head mid-end. There are 21 strings in GuZheng, so there are 63 points in total. To put it in the corresponding position, place them in the right place. It's manual labor. I'm not going to do it again. I'll show you directly. The effect after placing. Open Zhang Li's file. There is the effect of placing. We select all string positions. Do you see it? Near the right side is the head. Near the left side is the end. Then the one in the middle on the horse is the middle. Each string needs to place 3 points. Too many manual work. I'm not going to redo it because of this. Unless you choose another GuZheng with a good appearance. Then you had to make from begin. Otherwise, you can just use the assets I have already made. So, we're going back to the Hutos. Demonstrates how to generate a string from 3 points. Let's pull these 3 points out. The string head is here. The middle of the string is not on a straight line at the end of the string. It's actually a polyline in space. Next, we generate only this one string alone. Change index to 0. Then click to generate shape key. Where did it go? Oh, I see. It automatically goes to the strings directory, which I've hidden it before. Did you see it? And here is the string being generated. It will be divided into 2 sections, right and left. Strictly speaking, it's 2 strings, and each string will also have its shape key on it. This is the vibration of the right string. We need to get closer to see its vibration clearly. Do you see it? There's also an animation on the left. The left side is usually pressed, so it doesn't vibrate back and forth. It vibrates up and down. Take a look at this side. It has a suffix press, indicates that the shape key was pressed. And that's how you make good strings. If you want to make all strings, you need to place all these points in advance. Just click to generate all the strings. Let's look at the string leading from Zhang Li. There is already a shape key on it. This is what the vibration looks like. And this is being pressed. That's the whole thing. Now we need to put the whole GuZheng export as a whole. I'll hide the hudao first. We need to take all of these all into one object. Then we apply their scale rotation locations. Then they are all go to home position. Now we select all of them. Then export out. Hudao's GuZheng is actually bigger than Zhang Li's. I'll give it a name. When exporting, it should be like exporting bones, although it has no bones on it. Still need check armature, because only so to export the shape key as well. Other partial options are the same. By the way, after exporting the GuZheng, because just now we actually moved the position of the hudao, so we have to re-export the hutos as well. So let's get her back into position. And then re-export it. In addition, we are missing one thing. We're missing a chair. And a chair, imported from Zhang Li's file. About this position, the character has to sit 1/3. Okay, now we're going to export the chair as well. It's a simple mesh. We choose a mesh. Okay, that's it for this issue. Thanks for watching. See you next time.